with a stock, when the price is away from the fundamentals, that's when that stock becomes a very risky stock because it's built on expectations and speculation, sometimes just raw hype. The world just thinks this is a great company because, because LeBron bought some shares in it, and it may be a crappy company. And I think that's something that you got to watch out for, especially right now in this environment. One thing that I mentioned before, I'll mention it again in detail because I think you should know this, is the Federal Reserve is expected to reduce interest rates today, actually. And every time they reduce interest rates where there's not a recession, the stock market goes kaboom. It just takes off every time, right? Now, the question at this point is, are we in a recession though? Because if we're in a recession, then that's a different outcome, right? But if we're not in a recession, then you can expect the stock market will keep on going up. It's going to keep going up. And the reason I think is important for those of you that haven't been participating, I just want to kind of let you know you're missing a lot of money. I mean, in fact, everybody in the community who is investing and making money, put a yes in the chat right now, or and talking about the money you're making. Say something in the chat right now because I need all the people that are sitting on the sidelines to really watch how many people are responding to this question. This is just we're gonna do a financial flex right now. I want everybody who's making money to put a look at all these yeses. Look at this. Do y'all see the yeses that are in here? So anybody who's not moving yet, I just want to tell you that the money this is real. This is not hype. This is not a motivational speech. This is me telling you what's happening outside and so you gotta get over the trauma that's blocking you from making that move. That's why my wife will be in our stock market class next week, and she's gonna do a whole training on overcoming, like diagnosing your trauma, overcoming it, and not letting it stop you. So a lot of us get frozen. We get this paralysis of analysis because we're scared to do things wrong. And so at that point, you're not just wasting money in terms of opportunity cost, you're wasting time. Time is more valuable than money. So don't do that. The stock market is the greatest wealth driver on the planet. Um, why would you not put energy into understanding it? You put a lot of energy into understanding how to get that job you got and how to get that college degree. And for some of us, the college degree just got you a whole bunch of debt, and that job got you a whole bunch of stress and just enough money to live on. So if you're going to spend all that time and energy learning how to get through school, all that time and energy spending you spent learning how to do that job and get those certifications, why not spend that same time and energy learning how to put yourself firmly in the greatest wealth driver in the entire planet? The stock market is the greatest wealth driver in America, period. That's where the money's at. So please do something. Make a move. Make a move. And you guys know about the 5-year pledge. We're asking everybody to pledge 5 years of investing for their families on a consistent basis. Treat it like it's a bill. If you text the word pledge to the number 87948, you could join the 5-year pledge. And I'll send you a free copy of my training on exchange traded funds. You'll get that via text right as soon as you text the word pledge to the phone number 87948. All right, so here are a couple of things to worry about as well. Crypto has a lot of volatility attached as well, especially new coins. This WorldCoin, okay, one risk that's mentioned here is regulatory scrutiny. They ain't gonna get no regulatory scrutiny from the Trump administration. That's just, I mean, no. Like, there was a time that Al Capone owned the police station. Like, ain't no cop gonna pull over Al Capone and give him a ticket. So right now, the drug dealers are running the police station. So Sam Altman is right there in the middle.